point of view. I just send you a link and it brings you to the App Store on this app, Sundial. Alright, looks cool. Quincy sent it to me. Let's see what it is. Hit install. Alright, what it looks like on the home screen. Let me go and open that up. Cool. Alright, sunrise, sunset reminder. Let's hit welcome. Times change every day. Have this app remind you before the sunrise or sunset. Okay, sounds simple. Alright, so say I wanted to set a sunrise reminder for 5 minutes before the sun rises so I can check it out. Cool. So it says confirmed on the bottom. I can go back again. All right, set it and forget it. That's all you need to do. And then this is an example of what you'll see as a notification. So you're looking at your lock screen. It tells you that sunrise is at 6:28 a.m. today and that it's 5 minutes away. Cool. So if you see this, you can get outside, check out the sunrise. And then another view, this is on the side screen. You can swipe over and just see any existing reminder that you have set. In this case, it's a sunset reminder for 20 minutes before. So it'll get to you 20 minutes before that sunset. And that's what it is. So improved graphics, Sundial 2.0, getting closer and closer.